Today we're going to be looking at this G15 5511 model Dell. You see that this charging port right here looks kind of weird, right? Well, this is easily taken in and out. That's what the plate was. Just falls out all the time. Okay, so we're going to take it apart. In order to do that, we are going to take, as you and I'm going to take some screws off. There's 6 screws here on the bottom. Actually, there's 8. Before you complain about the road noise, I am doing this outside for better lighting. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 screws here, okay? 8 screws. Just use a Phillips screwdriver. A small one that fits. You can find one anywhere. Walmart, Amazon, your favorite tool store. Don't ask me where to find one. It does not matter which screw you take out. And what I mean by taking out, these are just being loosened. And you're removing them. Physically taken out. I have to clarify myself in so many videos of like, well, what do you mean taken out? That's what I mean. I'm taking the screws out. I'm loosening the screws. I don't think you need me to show you how to take all of the screws out. But they're not coming out. They're just, yeah, I know. They don't always come out. All of them. Some of them are staying in. Just loosen, okay? Just loosen the screws until it makes a clicky-click noise. Okay? And then that's what you're going to do next. You're going to get all the little screws out until they make all the little clicky-click noises. Obviously, this and this screw come out completely. The other 4 may not. So, you're going to get something in between here. You see this is already popped up. If it doesn't pop up, shove something in there. Butter knife, a shim, your fingernail, whatever. And you're going to pop it up. Just like that. And if it doesn't pop up all the way, loosen it some more. You'll be surprised how many people ask me that same question. So how do I do this? Well, this is how you do it. And this is why I'm being the way I am. Because I'm tired of asking. I'm tired of answering the same questions over and over again. Okay. These 2 screws here. Boom, boom. Take that off. I figured you wanted to see me take these 2 screws off. So I figured, you know what? I'll record myself taking these 2 screws off here. Just for your pleasure. Why am I wearing gloves? Because I want to. Why is there cars and dogs barking? Because I'm outside. You should make professional videos. You're watching one. On the back side, next to the chargers, you will find 1 screw. You see it? There's another screw. Take them off. Do you want me to show you how to do that? The same process. Lucy, Lucy. I got this screw out. I got that screw out. Sorry, my hands are in the way. You might not know how to turn and unloosen a screw. There you go. I loosened the screw. Now what's next? I don't know. Oh, we're just gonna just push this way. It's like this, and this pops off. Okay? Just like that. You know what's next? 2 more screws. This one and that one. You take them out. And you see that it's got a connector right there? Well, when you loosen this up, you'll be able to take and lift this up and kind of work that out. While you have this apart, this might be a prime ideal time to take and clean your fans out because this thing gets hot. Sorry, my hand's in the way again for you to watch me take and unscrew a screw. You know how many people complain about me being in the way? They couldn't see how I loosened the screw. Left unloosens, right tightens. Here we go. This takes the shield cover off. I'm sorry I didn't mention that. I didn't know it was there before. We're finding out together. See how this lifts up so well? This is what is going on. Wow, look at that. And this is what I'm doing. You see my fingers? Maybe I should zoom in. This is critical. You just take this and just pop it off like that. Then you go on Amazon or eBay or wherever you feel like your desire needs to be. And you go on there and you look up DC power jack for G15. I'm not going to put a link in the description and where to find this. You can find it yourself. Google it, Bing it, whatever search engine you use it. Find a part for your thing. Not hard. $7. It's all this cost for you to take and fix your own laptop yourself. I did not give you the pleasure of doing the unwrapping video. I didn't want to waste that much time. But here we are. Now you can see it. I'm unwrapping the DC jack. Here we go. Look at that. There it is. Okay. There's a car that drove by. That's what that noise is. You see what I'm doing? I'm putting this back into this little socket. It only goes one way. It's clicked. It's in. Now you're going to go and you're going to put this back down. It's just like that. And you're going to put your screws in with the bracket. If it's just like that, I'm going to put this little bracket that we just took the screw out. I'm going to put that down. Sorry, my hand's in the way. You're just going to have to just figure it out. If you can't figure it out, it's a simple fix that's going to cost you $8 and less than 10 minutes of your time in order to replace the DC jack on your motherboard. Please make sure you tell me and all your friends and how much in disgust that you have of my hands blocking the view of turning a screw. I don't care. There you go. It's in. What's next, you ask? Putting this cover back on. That's what's next. And how do you know it's back on, right? Well, you just slide it on and you get it in the hole. That's all your objective is. It's sliding it on and getting it in there. Okay? Put your two screws back on the back, here and here. Put your two screws on, here and here. And once that's done, you take and you put this at an angle, and you're gonna slide it just like that. You're gonna just put it down. Now you're gonna tighten these screws here. Then you're gonna put these two screws here and these two screws here, and then you're done. Thanks for watching. I hope this really helped. I hope this is very simple. All you need is a screwdriver and a $7 part. Now you'll notice this is much tighter now and no longer slips out. Good job.